Yeah. Kumbakonam, sorry, Karnataka Bank Limited clerks interview. Today's date in India, it is 4th September. Yeah. So I'm expecting a candidate to come. Yeah. Expecting a candidate to come to the Zoom. Yeah. Hello. Good morning. Good morning. Yeah, your interview with Karnataka Bank is on which date? Very good. So please, you may feel bored in telling about yourself again and again. Now, please tell me what are your strengths? Good. So, what is your father? Retired accounts assistant. Very good. What about your mother? Very good. Your brother is working where? Where is he working? No, no, your brother. You have a sibling? Acha, acha. Very good. Now, can you please tell me briefly what is the job role of clerk of Karnataka Bank? Mm, mm, mm. Good. Now, what do you know as mutual funds? What are they? Mhm. Acha. Good. Now, what are your ideas regarding increasing the business position of a branch? How can we improve the business position of a branch? Mm, mm. Can you please tell me a few points about what is mobile banking? Good. Good. Can you tell me what is e-commerce? Mhm. Now, um, what are the uh, various ways by which e-commerce is encouraged by our Karnataka Bank? If you have gone through the website, you will know. You know that? Ah, good. Yeah. Mm, that is okay. But the answer I expected was, as given in the website, their Visa debit card, RuPay debit card, about that they have told, you can shop online in a safe and secure manner using their money plant TM or Visa RuPay debit card. You can use them for online transactions. That is what they have done. In e-commerce. It doesn't matter. Good. Now, can you tell me some ideas about non-resident accounts? What are the different types of non-resident accounts? Please tell me about that. Mm, mm. Good. Mm, mhm. Mm, Acha. FCN already, yeah, that is right. Now, yeah. Now, can you tell me something about current account? What is a current account, and what is the benefit for the customer, and what is the benefit for the customers, banker and customers? Yeah, please tell me what is the advantage for both the people? Hello, 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 hello. Please repeat the last sentence. No, no, no. Actually, reverse is the thinking of bankers, that they want to have more and more of CASA deposits percentage wise, because the money is received at less cost and the net interest margin will be considerable. The reason for that is, see, the accounts of people are all from different walks of life. So not all the people will be withdrawing money at the same time. And even if somebody withdraws, that money will go to another person who may or may not have account with us in the same in our bank. So there will not be much fluctuation in our say demand deposits also. So it is better to have more of demand deposits. I think last time did you tell like this, namely, I think you made a mention. No. So this is an important point. You remember every bank wants more of CASA deposits because current no no no. See, even if it is FD and RD, they can close it any day. No bank can refuse to give the money. They can close it. Excepting recently, some banks have started having one new type of fixed deposit known as non-callable fixed deposit. It is there in IDBI. Non-callable fixed deposit. That means you cannot foreclose before the 5 years. If the person dies, the money will be given to the legal heirs. Otherwise, it cannot be closed. No, I think loan can be taken. It cannot be closed. Some such conditions they are giving. Similar to the income tax-based tax savers. Yeah. So that is the thing. So now you change the point and tell me the current account. What is the advantage of current account to bankers? Good. Yeah, you are from Karnataka. Which newspaper are you reading? Karnataka. Many of the students used to say some Prajana or what is that? Kar- I'm not getting the name. Yeah. Prajavani, na? Hmm. Oh. Did you read yesterday Prajavani or today morning? Today morning Prajavani. Acha. Yesterday you were having exam. Oh. Yeah, doesn't matter. Now tell me the name of not three, four Karnataka ministers in your cabinet. Mm, mm, mm. Correct. Mm. Good. You told, I think I have given the list you have seen that list also. Yeah, yes. Anand Singh is in which department? He is in tourism department. Doesn't matter. The tourism department. And this agriculture is important. Who is agriculture minister? Super. Good. Very good. Um, how can I believe that you will be more suitable for this job? Because we will send you out for canvassing to people. You are a very shy person. How will you be able to make business for us? I I wish you should succeed, but the reason why I have been telling you like this, you know the reason. Doesn't matter. I'm not going into that now. Good. You are answering very well. No problem. You are answering confidently and you're telling everything correctly. Now, please tell me what is happening in Sri Lanka. What is the problem in Sri Lanka? Good, very good. So, what is the present position of our economy? What is the how our economy is moving around? Please tell. It is not going to. It has already done. It has already crossed, and now India is in fifth largest economy in the world. So that is a very proud thing. Yeah, and recently Prime Minister was there in Karnataka for some, I don't know why. Why was he there? No, 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 no. Not for canvassing. He has come for launching some new projects and all. Ah, INS Vikrant and certain other things also. He has introduced some various schemes in Karnataka also. Please go through that and get to know about it. Please tell me about the business position of Karnataka Bank as on 30th June 2022. Did you did you tell about the deposit advances figure? Why a deposit? What was the total deposits? 80,000 something, and advances some. What is the advance? 50,000 something. No? You don't know the figure? 1 minute. I have given it, and last time also you did not tell me this. Remember? I remember last time also the deposits are 80,576 crore, advances 58,359 crore. No, pardon? No, 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 no. Actually, no, no. This mainly bankers are all. We are all very eager to know what is deposit, what is advance, what is profit. Apart from that, nowadays the concept is NPA. That's all. So if you tell all these things, that is sufficient. You have told me all the things. In fact, there is no reason for I mean, unless you are very correct in remembering it, you don't have to compare with the last year figure and all. Tell me this year figure. That will do. Normally, because If they ask, they are very cruel people. How can one remember comparisons and all? It's all very bad. So that's not needed. In my view, that's not needed. Nobody remembers it, especially after this computerization, cell phone and all. We don't remember things. That is the basic. Yeah, yeah, very good. Now, um, you are answering very well, Purnima. No problem. And any questions you have, any doubts you have? Cash certificate means you the interest rate and all is same for it is a fixed like a fixed deposit. It is a time deposit. In the case of fixed deposit, what happens? A person deposits around some amount and he is permitted to withdraw the interest every quarter. But in the case of senior citizens, I think Karnataka Bank is giving senior citizens interest every month also. But in the case of cash certificate, they will deposit a fraction of the amount that will mature into a round sum at the end of the period. For example, if you want to invest a cash certificate of 10,000 rupees for 2 years, now we will take only the amount that will mature into 10,000 rupees on a cumulative basis. In the case of fixed deposit, interest is simple interest. Every quarter, same interest will be paid. In the case of cash certificate, the interest will be credited to the same account, and the next quarter, interest will be paid on the interest added amount, compound interest. ಪುರಿಂಜಿದಾ? I mean, ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿತ್ತಾ? ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿತ್ತಾ? Very good. Please tell me in Kannada what I said about cash certificate. ఆగి round amount వస్తుంది. We will get a round amount at the end of the here. Abudaya cash certificate. 1 minute. Abudaya cash certificate. This is an ideal scheme for those who are in need of a lump sum amount. This word I should have used. Those who are in need of a lump sum amount after a particular period, and they do not need periodical interest. They do not need periodical interest. Under this scheme, quarterly interest accrued is plowed back so that the deposit earns compound interest at quarterly intervals. Minimum 100 rupees and in multiples of 100, maximum no limit. Yes. Now, pardon? Yeah, both are same. Both are same. But here they wanted to give a name, so they are given Abudaya cash certificate. So, but you get to know about this because this is what they will be asking. That is, that is for a large amount. Again, it is similar to this, but minimum is some 1 lakh, and the interest rate is normally higher. Certificate of deposits we take in huge amounts from corporates who have got surplus of funds. They give it to us similar to this cash certificate. That is, they will give a fraction of amount, and at the end of the period, they will get back a round amount. Normally, certificate of deposits are taken for 91 days up to maximum period of 1 year. Very good. Thank you. Best wishes. Yeah. it seems SDF, they don't give any, it is given without any security. The Reserve Bank is taking it without, Reserve Bank is taking it without giving any security for that amount. That is the reason. I think I have already shared that link to you, standing deposit facility. I have shared the IAS Parliament, this thing. This concept is recommended by Urjit Patel Committee. It has become why the facility is introduced now. The demonetization exercise has left the banks flush with funds. The past 2 months, banks have been lending left, right, and center to the RBI. And with the RBI increasing the reverse repo rate by 25 basis points, it's all old. It is all giving old. Collateral may become a constraining factor if the central bank runs out of securities. Here, they are going to take the deposits without giving any security to the bank. Exactly. And that is why they are giving less rate of interest. 3.35. This is there in, but the rate and all you change it, and the concept is given in now in our Telegram page. I am giving it that link. You please read that. Okay, thank you. Not necessary. About that, I don't know. But in fact, one boy told me he is actually having trading account and all, not necessarily in the bank. He can have it with the trader himself itself. And he'll be transferring funds from his SB account to that whenever needed. There is, yeah, that is also a type of facility available. Otherwise, if you are opening a demat account in a bank, you need to have it transactions through the same bank. In banks like ICICI, they themselves give you broking and then get business done. Otherwise, you have to go through some traders or brokers. Thank you. Very good. Thank you. Yeah, thank you. Bye. Best wishes. And at least after attending interview, what am I going to tell? Tell me. You must share openly in the class. Huh? Otherwise I will not give you the job. கொஞ்ச தைரியம் வேணும் அம்மா, கான்ஃபிடன்ஸ் வேணும், கரேஜ் வேணும். என்ன புரிஞ்சதா? ಮನಸ್ಸು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿತ್ತಾ? ಗಾಟ್ ಅರ್ಥಮಾಯಿತು. ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ஆமா, இது ப்ரொஃபைல்ல என்ன பிக்சர்மா அது? சம் காட்? Is it Sivalinga or what is it? Oh, great. My eyesight is good. Thank you. Bye-bye. Yeah. Good. Yeah. How are you? Hello. Yeah. How are you?
I'm good, sir. I'm fine.
I was talking over WhatsApp for that candidate, and you might have heard my voice only, and
Yes, sir.
it was being recorded. Yeah. Now, which date is your interview?
Sir, it's on 7th September.
Very good. In which place?
Sir, it's in Mangalore.
Bangalore. Good.
Yes.
Where do you stay?
Sir, I'm staying in Haveri, sir.
Is it nearer to Mangaluru?
No, sir. It's 300 kilometers from Haveri, sir. Mangalore is 300 kilometers from Haveri.
Good. So you are using Wi-Fi or data in mobile data?
Yes, sir. Mobile data, sir.
Good, because the sound is very nice. That's why I'm asking. Excellent. Can you please tell me about yourself?
Okay, sir. My name is Maltesh Goda Andanigaudar, and I am from Haveri. I completed my PU and become graduation in KLS Guddeppa Hallikeri College, Haveri. And my hobbies are playing with kids and cooking and spending time in nature. So this is all about myself, sir.
You could have told about your 12th and 10th also. What is the mark you have scored? Is it you have scored less than 60 marks?
Sir, no, sir. In 10th, sir, I have scored 66, and in second PUC, I have scored 60, sir.
Acha, I mean, but even then, I suggest because you have to talk for some time. So what you
Yes, sir.
should do, you tell you I studied BCom in this college and I completed it in the year so and so, scoring this much
Yes.
percentage of marks. I did my +2 in this school in this place. I did my
Okay.
10th in this school in this place.
Okay.
I am a quick learner. I am a hardworking person, and
Yes.
I am a creative person, and I enjoy talking to people, interacting with people, and I am interested in taking up a job which involves giving service to others. My hobbies are this thing, that thing, this thing. Likewise, you must talk something more.
Okay, sir.
What is your father?
Sir, my father was a bank manager. Now he has retired from bank, sir, and he was serving in Karnataka Vikasa Gramina Bank. Sir.
Oh, great, 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 great. Karnataka Vikas Gramina Bank, he was
Yes.
scale 2 manager or scale 3 manager?
Scale 2 manager, sir.
Very good. So, how many siblings do you have?
Sir, I have two siblings, and both are elder sisters, sir, and they have been married, sir.
Good. So, acha, acha. Good, good. I am confusing you with another boy with whom I had a talk, and that boy is from Andhra. So that's why I'm mixing you with that boy. That is the reason. Good, good. That means you are a Pakka
Yes, sir. I am
Karnataka boy. Karnataka boy.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Acha, acha. Very good. That means you are very suitable for this clerical post. We will give you this clerical post. Please
Yes,
tell me what are the job responsibilities of a clerical staff. Please talk to me in good Kannada. I mean, not grammatical Kannada, like an ordinary conversation.
Okay, sir. Our bank clerk ಆಗಿ ಅವನು ಡೆಪಾಸಿಟ್ ಕೌಂಟರ್ಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕುಂದಿರ್ಬೇಕು ಸರ್. ಸರ್ ಅವನು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡೆಪಾಸಿಟ್ಸ್ ನ ರಿಸೀವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ವಿಡ್ರಾಲ್ ಹಾಕಕ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ವಿಡ್ರಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು ಸರ್. ಅಂಡ್ ಬಿಲ್ಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಚೆಕ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ಡಿಮಾಂಡ್ ಡ್ರಾಫ್ಟ್ಸ್ ನ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಸರ್. ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಹಿ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಅವನು ಪಾಸ್ಬುಕ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಸರ್. ಬಂದಿರೋ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ಸ್ ಗಳಿಗೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಏನ್ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರುತ್ತೋ ಆ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ನ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಪ್ರೊವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಕಳ್ಸ್ಬೇಕು ಸರ್. ಅಂಡ್ ಮೇನ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಸರ್, ಅವನು ಫ್ರಂಟ್ ಡೆಸ್ಕ್ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾನೆ ಸರ್. ಸೊ ಅವನು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅವನು ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಗ್ರಾಹಕರುಗಳಿಗೆ ತಿಳಿಸ್ಬೇಕು. ಅಂಡ್ ಇನ್ಶೂರೆನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಗಳು ತುಂಬಾ ಇರುತ್ತವೆ ಸರ್. ಅವನ್ನ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ತಿಳಿಸಿ ಅದ ಸ್ಕೀಮ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಗಳಿಗೆ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಕ್ಕೆ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಸರ್. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋ ಕೆಲಸಗಳು ಸರ್.
Good, very good. I said very good because you said tumba. No? The tumba word is very important. Tumba means the meaning is very much. Na? Tumba means
Yes, sir.
too much or high, considerably. Good. You did very good answering. Acha, you have watched some of my videos. How many videos you have seen?
Sir, I have just seen an interview video, sir. I think, sir, I have viewed 8 to 10 interview videos, sir.
Very good. Excellent, excellent, excellent. Now, did you talk to, because people like you who are son of bank employees, normally
Yes,
they ask,
yes.
did you talk to your father about the bank interview? Did you talk to him?
Yes, sir. I have talked to him, sir, and
What
he
did
suggested,
what did he suggest?
sir, he just suggested that gather all the information, whatever you have, be yourself, and talk boldly and courageously, and just attend the interview very nicely, sir. Don't get panic.
Hmm,
This all he has told, sir.
very good.
That's it.
Correct, but only thing is, you must laugh, you must smile.
Okay, sir.
Everything nice, everything nice. You have very good personality, and you should smile. Acha, you will be going to interview with beard or full shaven.
Sir, I will shave on Tuesday, and I will go, sir.
Very good. Good. Excellent, excellent. What time is your interview?
Sir, it's 8:30 a.m., sir.
Mhm.
First shift, sir.
So you have taken all your documents and all properly, everything is there?
Yes, sir, I have taken, sir.
Very good. Excellent.
Yes, sir.
Now, why should I give preference to 85530? Why should I give preference to 85530? Your name is here. Andani Gowda. No, no.
It's
Malatesh Gowda. No?
yes, sir. Malatesh Gowda, sir.
Malatesh, why should I give you preference?
Sir, first of all,
Are you related to Deva Gowda?
no, sir. It's North Karnataka Gowda, sir. Yeah, that Devagowda is the South Karnataka Gowda, sir, and we are from North Karnataka Gowdas.
Just joking, not serious. Tell me. Hmm. Why
Sir,
should I select you? Tell me quickly. Why should I select you? Hmm.
okay, sir. I'm telling you. Sir, in a bank, a banker needs a main quality is that he has to be honest and loyal to the bank along with the customer, sir, and he must be accurate about the knowledge of banking activities. Also, he must have a good communication skill so that he has to maintain a good relationship with the colleagues along with the customers, sir. So I believe that I have all these qualities in me. So I am very suitable for this bank, and I am willing to grow up myself along with the bank, sir.
Don't say I believe.
Yes.
I have.
Okay, sir.
I have.
Qualities in me, and I want to grow along with the bank, sir.
Good. Very good. Very good. That's right. You can grow. It's not a problem.
Yes,
And
sir.
how do you see yourself 5 years from now?
Sir, sir, actually, what to say, sir?
You want to tell in Kannada? You tell me in Kannada. No problem.
Okay, sir. Sir, I'll try to tell in English only, sir. Sir, after completion of my probationary period, sir, I will I will gather all the knowledges in Karnataka Bank and all other banking activities and banking awareness, whatever the bank needs by the clerks, sir. And after that, I will try to clear all the exams, internal exams of banking. After gathering the knowledge, and I will try to become. I will become a bank manager, and I will handle the bank very well and grow the bank very well in within 5 years, sir.
Very welly. There is no such word as welly. Very well.
Very well. Okay, sir.
And that's okay. Who taught you this? Your father told you like this, or you learned from somebody else?
Sir, actually, he has not told this, sir.
Because similar way of expression has been told by 2-3 boys and girls. So I am asking, is there been told by somebody else in some institute or something like that?
No, sir. I was having conversation.
You saw in some video.
No, sir. I was having a conversation with my friend, sir. One of my friend, and he asked me this question, sir. I said that I have an interview. So what I must do for this? Some questions, sir. Ask me some questions, and he asked this question, sir, and I was not able to answer. After that, he only gave the answers, sir.
What is
And
he? What is that boy?
Sir, he's Virendra Damodar, sir. Presently, he's engaged in stock market, sir.
Oh, so what is stock market?
Sir, stock market is a place where all the shares and debentures are pulled in, where a, a person can purchase and sell the shares of a companies, of governments, or any other sectors, private sectors.
Good. So he is not going for a job, but he is doing only investment in shares.
Yes, sir. He is doing it.
Why?
Because
He also studied BCom only.
yes, sir. He studied BCom only, sir. He's not interested in any jobs, sir. He just want to become an rich person. That's it, sir.
Perhaps his father is also rich.
No, sir. He was a bank clerk in SBI Bank, sir.
Oh, good. So he is only investing. Is he getting profits? What is he telling?
Actually, he just started a month ago, sir. He's not having such a profit right now, sir. But he's having somewhat, sir.
Acha. When did you complete your degree?
Sir, I have completed my degree in 2018, sir.
So what you have been doing all these years?
Sir, I was practicing for this competitive exam only, sir. In 2019, I have cleared the exam of Karnataka Bank Clerks, sir, in 2019. Sir, after that, after COVID arrives, in December 2020, I joined a showroom of Haveri, sir, tractor showroom in Haveri, and I was also, along with that, I was continuing the competitive exam, sir. I was attending the competitive exam, but in 2021 I felt that I'm not getting concentration on in competitive exam, so I left the job, and again I have started this in 2022 April, sir.
Good. That means how many months did you work in that company?
Sir, I have worked for 16 months, sir. One year, 4 months.
Oh, great. That's good. What was the nature of work you were doing?
Sir, I was a service manager in Mahindra tractor showroom, sir.
Oh, not a bad job. Salary was around 20,000?
No, sir. It was 14,000, sir.
Oh, only less, because in your place and all, maybe they will not pay more than that. Yeah.
Yes.
It's okay. Good. So what was the job you were actually doing?
Sir, I used to advise for my service advisors and give guidelines to them, sir. I used to look over the spares, whatever the scares are there in a spares, and I used to order the purchase, sir, of spares, sir. Whenever the problems not solved by the service advisor, they used to reach me, sir, with customers. I used to solve all the problems which are raised, which are came in front of me, sir. Also, this were my activities.
Now you were telling some service engineers. What is that service? Who are they? Who are they?
Sir, when a tractor is sold, sir.
No, you had a lot of people working under you, or?
Yes, sir. I was a manager, sir. Under me, there were a service advisors, service mechanics, and service helpers. Sir.
How many were there?
Sir, there were 8 people, sir. Including me in service sector, there were 9. We were 9, sir.
Very good. So this job would have helped you to be in a position to interact with others comfortably. That's very good. There in the workshop, you were talking only in Kannada or in English?
So we were talking in Kannada, sir, because there only agriculture peoples were coming, sir. 90% of agriculture peoples were coming. They were not knowing any English, sir.
So what were they buying? They were buying cars, or they were buying tractors?
It is a tractor sir.
Tractor.
Okay, sir.
Oh, what is the price of tractor now?
Sir, it starts from 6 lakhs, sir. 6.5 lakhs, sir. And the highest is 18 lakhs, sir. It's up to 18 lakhs.
So what is have you come across some agriculturists taking loan from bank and buying tractors?
Yes, sir. They were tie-up with banks, and some private banks were tie-up, finance were tie-up with our showroom, sir. And they were giving loans to the people, sir.
Oh, good. So what is the type of security they take when they
Sir,
give loan?
hypothecated, they were making hypothecation on tractors itself, sir. Whenever the customer won't pay the amount, so they used to take back the tractors to their wherever
They will take possession and bring it for sale.
Yes, sir.
Good, very good. Can you please tell me what is Kisan credit card?
Sir, Kisan credit card. It's issued to the agriculture people.
You have to go through.
But
You have to go through that. Learn about it. Kisan credit card is a card given to agriculturists,
agriculturist, okay, sir.
and the limit fixed is dependent on the extent, that is area of land the agriculturist is going to cultivate. He may be a owner or a tenant also,
Okay, sir.
and also depends on the crop that is being brought up, whether it is paddy or sugarcane or
Okay, sir.
wheat or cotton, whatever it is. Based on that, the advance limit will be fixed in the KCC card.
Sir, I think it's like a credit card, sir.
It's like a credit card based on some scale of finance.
Scale of finance. Okay.
Because there is a scale of finance. If you are cultivating sugarcane for 2 acres or 1 acre, this is the amount. If you are cultivating paddy, this is the amount. Like that, it will be there. That limit will be granted. The agriculturist can use that limit and buy seeds, fertilizers, manures, and also use it for labor. He can draw cash and use it for labor. And after the harvest is done and after the produce is sold, he has to settle the dues. And once he settles the dues, next year the bank will again allow him to draw the similar limit, or increase the limit also, depending on the way account is done. The advantage of this scheme is that there is no need for him to submit documents every year, but the limit is automatic renewal,
Okay, sir.
rotation or renewable limit. So this is what it is. Good. You are answering very well. No problem. Now, please tell me about Karnataka Bank Limited. What do you know about Karnataka Bank?
Okay, sir. Sir, Karnataka Bank
Acha. Now, before that, one question. So, in the year 2019, you were not selected. Why? What do you think was the reason for your not being selected?
Sir, I have given interview very well, sir. But I don't know, sir. I think so. Somewhere I have missed my characters or anything, sir. Which the interviewer was expecting, sir. So I believe that I lost my job, sir. And again, I have come over with everything presently, and I am again attending the interview, sir.
Acha, now, was the interview done only in English or both English and Kannada?
It has been done both in English and Kannada, sir.
Very good. They used to talk both in English and Kannada. Now, what was the question I asked you last? Sorry, I forgot.
About Karnataka Bank.
About Karnataka Bank. Please tell me all. Oh, don't tell me history. Tell me the current position only.
Sir.
But you can tell when was it started, and who is the chairman, and who is the MD and CEO, and then how many branches, like that.
Sir, Karnataka Bank is a scheduled commercial bank, sir. It was established in 18th February 1924, and it's celebrating 100th century year in 2024.
I wish you should be working in Karnataka Bank by that time.
I wish I must work in a Karnataka bank.
No, I am telling you. I am telling you, you can also tell there, no problem. Nothing wrong. With smile, you can tell them, I wish I must get an opportunity to be working as a clerk in Karnataka Bank by the time the bank celebrates its centenary. Centenary, what is the word you said? 100th year. No?
Yes.
Centenary celebrations. Continue.
It has 890 branches and 885 ATMs and 500 plus e-lobbies, sir. And it has one extension branch, sir. And coming to the chairperson, sir, the chairman of Karnataka Bank is Mr. Pradeep Kumar, sir. And the CEO, MD is sir, Mr. Mahabaleshwara MS, sir. And in 2022 first quarter report was released, sir. In that, Karnataka Bank has made 114.05 crores of profit in the first quarter, and it has reduced its gross NPAs to 8.84 to 8.03, sir. And it has then.
Are you sure? 8.8
4.84 to 4.03.
Because you were telling 8 means a very high figure.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Oh, so before going for the interview, you should mug up all the things and tell only what you are 100% confident. Because this one I got it.
Yes, sir.
I could have omitted it, but then I wanted you to remember that you cannot commit mistakes in gross NPA and deposit and all. Now tell me, this I will ask questions, answer me. What was the total profit in the last quarter?
Sir, it was
net profit.
412, sir.
Net profit. I am asking net profit.
Net profit
114, na?
Yes, sir. It's 114.005, sir.
05, even if 05 is not told, no problem. 114 crore, you should tell like that. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And the operating profit you were telling, that is 412. They will not ask operating. Achha, you are a commerce student, so they can ask. They can ask you like that also. Then the deposit is, how much was the deposit?
Sir, deposit was 80,000 crores, sir, and the advances were 58,000 crores. Overall, it was transactions were 1,38,000 crores, sir.
Very good. Not transactions, business turnover.
Turnover.
Business turnover. That is the word they have used. Business turnover. And gross NPAs declined to 4.03%.
Yes, sir.
From 4.84. Okay. Good. Bank has acquired 1,572 MSME accounts in the quarter. Then what is the capital adequacy ratio of the bank? 15.41.
15.41. Okay,
yeah,
sir.
15.41. That's what it is. Good. You have been able to answer my questions very well. No problem. Okay. Now, there can be simple questions. I will ask some questions. Please answer me. What is a post-dated check? Post-dated check.
Sir, post-dated check is a check where, sir, can I give an example, sir?
It is better to use an example and explain.
Okay, sir. A post-dated check is, sir, I can issue the check having date of tomorrow, sir, or in future date.
No. You can go like this. Your interview is on which date?
Sir, it's on 7th, sir.
Yeah. So today you can tell like this, sir. Today is 7th September. And if
Yes,
any
sir.
check is presented today dated 8th September or thereafter, it is called
sir.
a post-dated check.
Yes, sir.
Tell like that. Try.
Sir, today is 7th, sir. If a check is issued on today, sir, but the date has been mentioned of 8th or any future date is known as post dated check, sir.
Not 8th only, 8th September.
8th September, okay, sir.
Here also you leave it. Or you can say 8th September 2022 or thereafter. It is considered as post-dated check. What is a stale check?
State check is a check when it crosses the 90 days of issuing, sir. It is invalid check, sir.
No,
When
don't call it invalid. You can say, tell like this: a check is considered stale check when the date it bears is
yes, sir. Cross the 90 days of
more than 90 days. When it has crossed 90 days from when more than 90 days have lapsed from the date given on the check.
okay, sir.
Good. Who is the Reserve Bank Governor?
Sir, it's Shaktikanta Das, sir.
Good. Can you name 2 deputy governors of Reserve Bank of India?
Sir, I have not gone through it, sir, but I know there are 4 deputy governors in RBI, sir.
MD Patro.
Yes, sir.
MK Jain.
Yes, sir.
Rajeshwar Rao. MK Jain. MD Patro. Then another one is, I think, T. Ravi Shankar.
Yes, sir.
Good. Now, Karnataka, who is the revenue minister?
Sir, it's R. Ashok, sir.
Good. Who is the agriculture minister?
It's B.C. Patil, sir, who is from our district, sir.
Acha, very good. Acha, from your district?
Yes, sir.
Good. Can you
also
which district are you living?
Haveri, sir. Haveri.
Can you name some famous personalities from Haveli district?
Okay, sir. Sir, like freedom fighters, sir, there are Gutlepa Halikeri and Mailar Mahadevappa, sir. And coming to the music and film industry, there is Gangubai Hangal and Yogaraj Bhatt, sir. Coming to the political parties, there is present Chief Minister of Karnataka, Mr. Basuraj Bommai, and B.C. Patil is from Haveri district.
Really? Oh,
yes.
Good. They will ask you this and you have to tell that nicely. Good. Very nice. Do you have any questions to ask?
Sir, can I get some feedbacks by you, sir?
No,
What are the
you are doing very well. So far, I have not found any problem in you, except 1 or 2 questions you are not able to tell correctly. Don't worry about it. Do not worry about you are not answering one question first. You are judged overall only and not based on the correctness of the answer. The smile should be there in your face.
Okay, sir.
Last time, I think you must have been very tense in the interview. And,
I was very.
Yeah, so that may be the reason you are not selected. And also, when you say your father is working in bank, their expectation will be very high. They can ask something about Karnataka Vikas Gramin Bank also.
Okay, sir.
And what is the capital contribution in RRBs?
Capital contributions in the RRBs. Sorry, sir. I'm not getting, sir.
No. Who are the owners of RRB?
It's a state and central government, sir. State government also have a stake in capital, sir. Also, central government have a stake in capital, sir. And along with that, public also have a.
No. Central government 50.
Yes, sir.
Sponsoring bank 35.
Okay, sir. 15%
is state government.
Okay. Sponsor bank one has been missed.
That you could not have. Yeah. And how much RRBs should give as priority sector advances?
How much means in
How
terms
much,
of
how much percentage of total advances?
sir, I don't know, sir.
75% of the total advances should be given as priority sector.
Yes.
Whereas in the case of banks like Karnataka Bank, it is sufficient. They give 40% of their advances as priority. That notes and all you have not read.
Sir, I haven't read, sir. That answer.
Do you have my link for notes?
Yes, sir, I have, sir.
Yeah, very good. So
Yes, sir.
then you should also study about financial inclusion. Why have you not attended even one day class?
Sir, yesterday I was having an exam, sir. I was also preparing for that. Along with that, I was preparing.
I know.
interview.
Correct. Good.
Yes.
Best wishes.
Thank you, sir.
God bless you.
Okay, sir. Thank
You
you.
are doing very well. I will give easily. I will select you, but depends what God is thinking. I don't know. Because I am seeing hundreds of children. There are 300 candidates with me.
Okay, sir.
So based on overall experience, you are among the top 10%.
Okay,
And
thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Best wishes. God bless you.
Thank you, sir.
This is being recorded and it will come in video after some time. YouTube.
Okay.
Thank
Okay,
you.
sir. You can.
Bye.
Thank you, sir.